Building bridges, literally at figuratively, apin kanu iniinasa na ng Bases Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA, kambeing gobyerno at private sector. Apartikim pa mga wangdalan at tete amamya kanawan karang motorista at commuter, susulong da naman ng pamanabot king sustainable urban development at regional prosperity. Metong kanu-kanang akakit aparalan bang akam taningi, ing pamanalakad at pamamuklat na ng Airport New Clark City Access Road o ANR. Parti na ning mesabing access road, ing iconic a 900 meters sa Kobe Bridge at chukimbabo na ning sa Kobe River king Bambantarlak. Pauli na muna man ng 6-lane access road at susukad 19.81 kilometers, pulay hinemong 20 minutes yung biyahe pilatan na ng Clark at New Clark City at dating tutuklo king metong a oras.
With this bridge, no, mas madaling pumunta ngayon sa New Clark City from the airport, from the free-port zone, kaysa kung dati na umiikot pa sa mga public road, sa SCTEX na 45 to 1 hour. Ito, 15 to 20 minutes, ando na tayo in a comfortable ride. Nakita nyo na, pag bubuksan na ho namin to, no, under safety regulations, sinasabi ko, kikita mo napakaganda ng scenery dyan. Ganda pagkakagawa ng kalsada, 6 lanes. May sarili siyang bicycle lanes. Ang Metro Manila BGC namin wala. So, ini problem. Tapos meron siyang malalapad na pedestrian, underground utility. So that is already a testament of the kind of city we will build for New Clark City.
Asaan mo naman kanu akapamilatanan ng bayong dalan, mas maging mayan impamanlob na ring investor kay New Clark City.
Kapag magdadala tayo ng investor ngayon, mas madali na silang dalhin. Mas maengganyo sila ngayon na kuhanin at mag-locate sa New Clark. Kasi sasabihin nila, ang lapit lang pala, hindi malayo.
Ngayon Miyerkules, February 21, personal ng Inspeksyun Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang mesabing tete, kaya berin pamuntok ng BCDA, aliwa pang government officials ang pang private sector.
This Clark International Airport to New Clark City Access Road, or ANR, is a key component in boosting the Clark metropolis as an investment and tourism destination. It is a part of a larger package of Build Better, More activities. It aims to enlarge Clark's profile in the global investment map. Projects such as this all convey one message to prospective investors.
Target ng gobyerno ang maging fully operational yung ANR king Ulyo, kasabi ng pangakompleto na ring bike lane, landscape at slope protection.
Pero yung kalsada tapos na. So gusto na namin itong paggamit, no? Lalo na yung bridge, nakikita ng mga tao, ang tagal nang tapos yan. So bubuksan na natin yan. Of course, sabi ko under safety regulation kasi meron pang mga construction equipment, merong mga, di ba, mga truck. So gusto natin safe yung mga dadaan. So ayusin lang namin yung safety regulation. Pero papadaan na namin ito sa publiko.
Samantala, pauli na ako ng pamisaw pa na ng BCD at government officials, miyaliwa pang aktibidad ng malyaring asaan kay New Clark City.
PDA has lined up a lot of events, no, in this entire year. There are concerts coming up. We just had the Hot Air Balloon Festival. The aquatics competition is next week. We have the Clara coming up. We have the ISOCARP, the World International Planning Congress, will also be held here. Ang Tarlac ang host. So we're doing a lot of activities, and our close cooperation with BCDA is just to make sure all of these things are done smoothly and successfully.
Ako, Inke kayong talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.